Gratitude journaling changed my mind. Here's why it works. Unlock the secret to happiness. With just a pen and paper. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if science says otherwise? I used to think gratitude journaling was just another feel-good fad. You know, one of those things that sounded nice in theory but didn't really work in practice. But then I gave it a real shot. And what happened next? Honestly, it changed my mind. It changed my mood. And it changed my mental health. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how a simple pen and paper helped me rewire my brain, manage anxiety, and feel more grounded in everyday life. This isn't just about writing down what you're thankful for. This is about creating a shift, a real, biological, emotional, and mental shift. What is gratitude journaling? Let's start with the basics. Gratitude journaling is the practice of regularly writing down things you're thankful for. It sounds simple, and it is, but the effects run deep. Whether it's a list of 3 things each morning or a single entry at night about what went well in your day, the act of reflecting on the good, no matter how small, rewires your focus. It trains your brain to notice what's working instead of fixating on what's not. It nudges you to become more present, more appreciative, and more attuned to joy. Science behind gratitude. So what does the science say? A lot. Studies in neuroscience show that gratitude journaling activates the brain's reward pathways, particularly the ventromedial prefrontal cortex. That's the region associated with feelings of pleasure, morality, and decision-making. According to a 2016 study published in Psychotherapy Research, participants who wrote gratitude letters reported significantly better mental health even weeks after they stopped writing. The benefits last longer than the act itself. Gratitude also increases levels of serotonin and dopamine, the neurotransmitters responsible for happiness. Think of journaling like a natural mood booster, with 0 side effects. Another review from the Greater Good Science Center at UC Berkeley found that gratitude rewires the brain for optimism. Participants who practiced gratitude consistently showed greater activity in the medial prefrontal cortex, even months later. Mental health benefits. Here are some specific benefits you can expect. Reduced stress and anxiety. When you focus on what's good, your mind doesn't have as much space to dwell on fear or worry. Improved sleep. Gratitude journaling before bed has been shown to help calm racing thoughts, making it easier to fall asleep. Increased resilience. Grateful people bounce back faster from setbacks. They're more optimistic and solution-focused. Enhanced relationships. When you appreciate the people in your life, you tend to treat them better, and that comes back to you. Boosted self-esteem. Noticing your own growth and small victories builds confidence and self-worth. Why writing works. Now, here's the key. Writing it down works better than just thinking about it. Why? Because writing requires more cognitive processing. You're not just noticing something positive, you're engaging with it, framing it, and encoding it into your long-term memory. This physical act of journaling actually signals to your brain, this matters, and over time, it starts to change how you interpret your world. Instead of seeing what's missing, you begin to naturally scan for what's there, what's beautiful, kind, joyful, peaceful. It's like switching from grayscale to full color. Suddenly, your days feel richer. How to start? Starting a gratitude journal is easy. Here's how to make it stick. 1. Pick a consistent time. Morning or evening works best, just 5 minutes. 2. Keep it simple. Write 3 to 5 things you're grateful for, big or small. 3. Be specific. Instead of, "I'm grateful for my job," write, "I'm grateful I had a productive Zoom meeting that made me feel confident." 4. Use a real notebook. There's something powerful about pen to paper. 5. Don't force it. Some days will feel harder. That's okay. Even, "I'm grateful I got out of bed today," counts. To make it even more effective, combine gratitude journaling with a short mindfulness practice. A few deep breaths before you write helps you connect more deeply with what you're grateful for. What to expect over time. In the first week, you may not notice much. Maybe a slight lift in mood, or a calming moment before sleep. But give it a month, and something amazing starts to happen. You'll ruminate less. You'll feel more present. You'll complain less because you're genuinely seeing more of what's working. You might even feel more motivated, energized, and connected to the people around you. It's like tuning your inner radio from static to music. From survival to presence. From anxiety to appreciation. And here's a beautiful bonus. When you train your brain to see the good, you become the good in someone else's story too. Grateful people tend to act with more compassion, more patience, and more grace. Bonus tip. Want to take it further? Try these creative variations. Themed gratitude days. Focus on relationships one day, your body the next, then nature. Gratitude letters. Write a thank you letter to someone you've never properly thanked. Even if you don't send it, you'll feel the effects. Gratitude jar. Drop in one note a day. Read them all at the end of the month. Mindful gratitude. Pause before meals to appreciate your food or say thank you in your head while brushing your teeth. Visual gratitude board. Create a collage of images or words that represent what you're thankful for and put it where you can see it daily. So, if you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or just feeling disconnected, try gratitude journaling. Really give it a shot. Start today. Write one thing down, just one. And do it again tomorrow. And if you found value in this video, please like, share, comment what you're grateful for today, and subscribe for more natural ways to boost your mental and emotional health. Your mind is powerful. Let's train it for joy.